Do you know what I'm playing with? It was very popular few years back. Now I don't see any kids holding them and playing with them. This is called a fidget spinner. My question to you is, why is it able to rotate with respect to the center in such a high speed? What is at the middle of this fidget spinner that is making it move in a very high speed? So that means most of the energy I am applying is not getting wasted anywhere. Please look over here. Maybe we can zoom in and show you what is available at the middle. So check this. You can see an instrument called the ball bearing. So this is called a ball bearing. I will explain it in detail, but try to look over here. Okay. Now I'll put this down and I'll show you a ball bearing. A real ball bearing that's not inside a fidget spinner, but it's outside. This instrument is called a ball bearing. Just the fidget spinner wings are connected to the outside of the ball bearing. As you can see, so that's a ball bearing. Now observe carefully. So we'll try to zoom in and show you clearly the parts of a ball bearing. There are three most important parts of a ball bearing. One is called the outer race, this outside surface, like a racing track. Outer race, R-A-C-E. It's called the outer race. This is the inner race, and between this outer and inner race, to reduce the friction, we have some metal balls. Small metal balls. You can find those metal balls even at a nearby cycle store. You can ask for metal balls and they would give them to you. So there is an outer race, there is an inner race, and there are these metal balls. Now what is the importance of this ball bearing? It's everywhere, inside fans. Any object that is rotating would definitely have a bearing because that reduces friction. You already know that sliding friction is more than rolling friction. If you want to slide, you need more energy, more friction will be there, and more heat would be there. But when you are rolling objects, less friction will be there and less heat will be there. Okay? So now we are going to do an experiment to understand the difference between sliding and rolling by using the concept of our ball bearings. Now I have these two plates. Okay, I have these two plates. Let's call this the inner race. In that inner race, I am placing some glass marbles. See, in fact, I am placing 6 glass marbles. These are big glass marbles. And imagine this one is the outer race, right? Just like our ball bearing, there is an inner race, there is an outer race, and there are these metal balls. Now in the first experiment, what I'll do is, I'll put those balls or the marbles to the side. I'll just directly touch the outer and inner race and I'll try to roll them. So please see this, I'm rolling it. I'm trying to roll it, but it's actually they're directly in touch without any balls in between or marbles in between. So it is very hard to roll because there is sliding friction. Whatever energy I'm applying, it's stopping very quickly. I can even try with the other side in this fashion. Okay, it is rolling, but imagine if I have these metal balls in between or glass balls in between. So I have the 6 glass balls, and this time, as you can see, the rolling is much more significant, and I can see it rotating for more time. I need less energy to rotate in comparison with the sliding friction. Now, if you don't have 2 of these ones, if imagine you have only this inner race, one metal plate, and you don't have a second plate, you could use any flat surface. Think of this flat surface as the outer race, and you can try to rotate it. So you don't need 2 metal plates. With 1 metal plate and a flat surface too, you can explain the same concept. Now let me show this particular concept. This time it is sliding. As you can see, it stops very quickly, not even like 90-degree rotation. But with our glass marbles, you saw the outer race moving much more easily. So what did we learn from this experiment? The outer race and the inner race, when connected with our glass marbles, they could move easily with respect to each other to generate more energy or to make more effective use of the applied energy or applied forces. That means with less energy you can create more rotation, and that would help in reducing the energy required for operating a machine. So with that we are concluding the friction topic, and we thank you a lot for listening to us in such an attentive way. Thank you.